What's up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and today I've got a very special short course truck to unbox with you guys. Now this is a discontinued vehicle from Team Associated. It's a Pro SC10. It's a 110 scale, ready to run two-wheel drive electric off-road race truck. And as you can see, brushless power and it's ready to run. And the best of all, it's the Rockstar Energy officially licensed truck. How fantastic does that thing look on the box art? Now, if you look at the sides of the box, you can see there's just a replica picture of what we've already seen on the front. And it is by Champions by Design from Team Associated. And there is a couple of features if you want to pause and just look at those. There is an overview of the chassis. You've got really nice looking high traction racing compound tires. You've got your blue anodized version 2 shocks. You've got heavy duty sealed gears. You've got metal gear digital high torque servo. You've got your new DVC, which is the dynamic vehicle control receiver, featuring a built-in and adjustable gyro. You've got the XP controller. I'm not too sure which one, but I don't generally like those too much. You've got the 3300 kV brushless motor and the SC600 brushless ESC with a T-plug connection. And if we go this way, you'll see that there's an overview of the truck. And there is RJ Anderson, the off-road athlete, which this truck is based on, I'm guessing. So there you can see some of the specs, the length of the car, the width, and the wheelbase. As you know, it's a two-wheel drive vehicle. Now, it looks like this is only 2S compatible, but I believe the SC600 is also the same one that's in the Team Associated MT10. So we'll just have a look at that. So let's do it right now. Check it out, guys. Number 37, Pro SC10. 37 on the side there. But before we look at that, let's get everything out. So you've got a little bit of a instruction manual pack with a charger and a couple of other things. We'll look at that now. Then you've also got your XP120 controller. I forgot that the base is so big. Alright, so we've got the XP120 and it takes 4 AA batteries. I'm not a massive fan of this. It's a big controller, but it's probably good for racing. Sticks out quite a lot, as you can see. Definitely not one-hand drivable. Got a couple of settings you can change. You've got the throttle rate, the throttle speed. You've got the dual rate and the steering trim. And you've got a low battery indicator, throttle reverse, and you've also got steering reverse there. Yeah, overall, not my favorite controller, but it's not bad. We'll look at this pack now. As you can see, zip ties. I'm just going to cut those loose. Now, before we go on, let's quickly look at this Reedy 3000 milliamp hours nickel metal hydride 7.2 volt battery pack that comes with it. I like the printing on this pack. So there you can see it's a nickel metal hydride battery pack, 6 cells inside. Right, so obviously a little bit limited with what it is. The newer type of nickel metal hydride batteries is 7 cell and you've got a 8.4 volt on the voltage, which is obviously stronger packs, but this will do for now. Check this one out, guys. How awesome does that look? What a gorgeous truck. Beautiful. Beautiful oil-filled shocks. Oh, feels so good. It's nice and light as well. I'm guessing that's due to the chassis design at the bottom. So there you can see it's all plastic and it's your typical short course truck design on the chassis. It's only Armour that really has that type the top type of a chassis that I've seen before. We've got fairly long shocks at the rear there as well. There's your brushless motor. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. Really, really nice. Can't believe I found this one. So this is almost like a shiny type of a paint, and then this back part here is almost like a matte gunmetal type of a paint color. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is beautiful. The tires compound. Oh, it's super soft. Feels really good. Beautiful wheels on it as well. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. What do you guys think? Awesome. Let's put the truck to the side. Let's see what is inside of this pack here. What car is this? Let me know if any of you have ever seen this car before. I've never seen it before, but it looks awesome. It looks like a desert truck almost. Nomad DB8. I haven't seen that before. So there's a couple of other cars there. Okay. There's a certificate of conformity. And you've obviously got your part list with blowouts of all of the components. So if something breaks, explains to you how to use the battery. I'm guessing the battery charger, how to plug it in. Yep, so there's the battery charger. Okay, so yeah, good information. What else is in here? So we've got a little instruction manual for the controller. Just explain to you how everything works on that. Oh, that's a nice paint color scheme. That's really nice, eh? There's a key code for anyone, gift certificate. I doubt if that's still in use because I believe this truck is a couple of years old. There's some extra bits and bobs. Right. You've got your Reedy ESC owner's manual. It can actually allow 2 to 3 S lipos, guys. Look at that. 2 to 3 S lipos. Yes. I knew that we would be able to use a lipo on it. Fantastic. And there is the charger with instructions on how to use that. This is interesting. NIMH batteries only. And then you've also got a, whatever you call this thing. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the truck's chassis from the inside. Oh, the suspension is so plush, guys. Look at that. Oh, it feels so good. Right, body off. Very soft Lexan. It's really, really soft. One of the softer bodies I've felt in a long time. But it's beautiful nonetheless. And there you can see is the chassis on the inside. So there you've got a 3-wire servo and a spacer for your battery should you be using a long pack or a shorter pack. There's a space sponge there. There's your Reedy Brushless ESC, and it is connected to the 3300 kV motor, which you can see at the back. Your receiver box, I'm not too sure if it's waterproof. And yeah, it's a basic design. There you can see what looks like adjustable toe and camber. You've got an inward positioned shock absorber with the towers, and it's straight at the back. The A-arms doesn't look that beefy, to be honest. It actually looks quite thin, but again, this is not a basher, I believe. As you can see, free spinning front wheels, and that's because obviously the vehicle is rear wheel drive, so the diffs is quite loose, not a lot of movement. The drive shaft is not very thick, guys, but again, I think this is all to save weight for the racing class. You've got CVDs at the back. Alright, and it's really, like I said, it's really a light vehicle. I can't wait to take this out. So, as luck would have it, I do have a 3S T-plug battery that is fairly charged up ready to quickly check how it goes. So let's see how the steering looks. That's really quick steering. It's impressive. Let's quickly see the wheel speed. I think this guy's gonna fly. Okay, really drives nice. Something different to get used to. Whoa. You can feel that it's super light. You can feel it in the way it drives. Really, really light. It's a light vehicle, obviously meant for racing. You can feel it's really set up well. I actually want to check how it ramps. Okay, let's give it a couple of jumps and see how it goes. Oh, jeez. Talk about parachuting. No way of correcting it, unfortunately. Okay, let's take it up again. Oh, guys, so what do you think of this Team Associated Pro SC10? Let me know. I think it really looks awesome and I'm really happy with it. Okay, and that was the unboxing and quick spin around with this SC10 Pro from Team Associated. The Rockstar Energy livery looks fantastic. I think it looks brilliant, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And obviously, you know what's going to happen next. I am going to take this on the suspension test and definitely wanting to see how fast it really is. It seemed like going full speed on the tarmac there for a while. It cut out after a couple of meters, and I think that might be due to the battery not being charged fully, but we'll sort that one out. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Jonathan from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.